All roads at the moment lead to Delhi. The stage is set for Super Saturday. Exit polls are projecting a saffron surge in the capital, but will the poll predictions hold, or will the voters of Delhi spring a mega surprise? There was high drama in the capital hours before the verdict, with the Aam Aadmi Party accusing the BJP of poaching its candidates. Here's all the action from the capital before counting begins.
Countdown to Delhi's D-Day has begun. Pollsters predict that the BJP is set to break its over two-decade jinx in the capital. Whether exit poll projections hold on Saturday or not, they triggered massive drama hours before the verdict. Terming the exit polls fuzzy or fake, AAP convener and former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal claimed that the BJP was trying to poach 16 AAP candidates by offering them 15 crore rupees each.
खरीद फरोख्त करने का काम किया जा रहा है, 15 करोड़ की रिश्वत देने का काम किया जा रहा है, विधायकों मंत्रियों को तोड़ने का काम किया जा रहा है। उसकी शिकायत मैं एसीबी भवन में एसीबी के दफ्तर में करने के लिए आया हूं।
By Friday morning, poaching politics took center stage in Delhi. Delhi LG was quick to launch a probe into AAP's allegations. BJP too filed a counter-complaint with the Anti-Corruption Bureau.
ये नहीं चलेगा कि आप कुछ भी बकवास करेंगे और उसका परिणाम आप नहीं भुगतेंगे। आपने जो आरोप लगाए हैं घटिया बेबुनियाद हैं। अगर आपके पास तथ्य हैं तो रखिए, नहीं तो फिर इसका परिणाम भुगतने के लिए तैयार रहिए।
Soon, 3 teams of the Anti-Corruption Bureau were dispatched to Arvind Kejriwal's residence. They waited, were not allowed inside and ultimately left after giving a notice asking 5 questions to the AAP convener. Did he post on X claiming Operation Lotus? What are the details of 16 AAP MLA candidates who received phone calls regarding the offer of bribe? What are the phone numbers or names of persons who approached the MLAs? What is the proof to support bribery claims? And why should legal action not be taken for creating panic and unrest among the people of Delhi? Claims, counterclaims, controversies, and high-stakes poll battle tomorrow will decide the fate of Delhi and its netas. With Amit Bharadwaj and Piyush Mishra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.